Hello everyone, my second homework today is about food, and after hear this topic I immediately think about one of the traditional food in Vietnam, and the food I want to tell you today is about the chân cake. Oh, when look at this, you can see first is the material. First, you have to rice, rice, meat, um, green beans, and rust leaf or banana leaves. And next, we will see the step that you can do a tin cake. First is a preparation. Before you do make a tin cake, you have to soak the rice in the water. Either the better than when you soak it all night or at least 4 hours. With the green beans, you can do the same step. Next, after you soak rice, you have to pour all of this into a pannier and let it dry. Sprinkle or uh, one of four spoon of salt and into this and use your hands to mix it. With the green beans, you do the same step. After that, you let it dry and mix with salt and black pepper. Next, you have to um, salt, and next you have to marinate meat with salt, black pepper, and sugar. Next, the next step is a wrap 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 cakes. You have to prepare a square frame. You and arrange for rust leaf like this in the frame. Next, um, you pour the green bean and after it is the meat, and next is the green bean, and finally you pour a layer of rice. You have to try to have the amount of rice and green bean is the same. And finally, you grab the cake and use a string to tie it. You have to remember that you cannot strike it. You cannot tie it too tight because your cake will be dilate during the cooking period. You can see six picture of this in this um, the period when you tie a cake. And next is the boil period. You have to put on the cake into autoclave, and you have to pour the um, pour the water in this. You have to place the cake board. You have to lay on the cake flattened, be flattened. The time to boil a small cake is about 5 hours, and with a bigger cake you have to need more hours. If you use pressure, your cooker is maybe the time to boil is maybe just 4 about 1 hour. And after your cake ripe, you have to put it out and take it out and put it into cold water and soak it for 20 minutes. And after that, you black it right and put everything to press this. Press in about 5 to 8 hours is okay. This is mm, all the steps that you can do some cake, and thank you for watching.